Since solar energy is a rather large investment, it is smart to know the advantages and disadvantages of solar energy. There is so much more involved than just installing them on your roof. So before making the switch, let's cover the most important to know: the positives and negatives of solar power. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy is renewable and clean energy. Solar energy requires almost no maintenance after installed. Reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and non-renewable resources which are depleting. Solar panels can last up to 30 years without needing major repairs since there are no moving parts inside of them. Solar panels do not cause pollution. There are grants, rebate programs and rather large tax incentives for those looking to get solar panels. There are options to lease solar panels. Solar can offer a large return on investment due to how much energy they can produce. Excess power can be sold back to energy companies for credits if you're tied to the grid. Even on cloudy days, solar energy can be produced. Disadvantages to solar energy. The initial costs to install solar panels can be quite expensive, even though solar is more affordable now than ever. Solar energy cannot be produced at night, so you will have to have a battery to store that energy. Those batteries tend to be rather large, so it might be difficult to store. The aesthetic is not attractive to some, as they are large and have to be on your property. Although energy can be created on cloudy days, if your climate is consistently cloudy, your panels will not produce as much energy. Even though solar panels do not pollute, the production, transportation and installation still produce greenhouse gases. Therefore, they aren't completely pollution-free. Best 3 advantages of solar energy. Save money on your energy bill. Incentives. Renewable energy resource. Renewable energy resource. Solar is a clean and completely renewable energy source. That means, as long as the sun is shining, we can harness the energy of it, unlike fossil fuels which are diminishing. Reducing your energy bill. A huge advantage of solar energy is that your energy will be much lower when making the switch. Investment in solar panels can sometimes be so large, owners can receive credits back for producing more energy than they use. Incentive tax programs. A benefit of solar energy that cannot be ignored is the tax incentives that come along with them. This advantage of solar is very important, seeing as that it can have a major effect on how much your initial installation costs might be. Solar incentive tax programs do expire and can change every couple of years. 3 major disadvantages for solar energy. Pricey upfront costs. Weather and light dependent. Professional installation. Very expensive upfront costs. Unfortunately, the initial price of purchasing a solar system can be a major disadvantage for those looking to install. Pricing on solar energy has decreased significantly over the years, but not quite enough to be affordable for an average family. Weather and light dependent. Since solar panels do harvest their energy directly from the sun, it is important that your region receives at least a portion of sunlight throughout the year. Rainier or cloudier days don't produce energy as well as sunnier days, so if the majority of the year has rain, they might not work well. Check our video guide on how solar panels work on cloudy days. Installation can be a hassle. Since solar panels are a large piece of technology, there is a lot of planning that has to go into the installation. They are not a product you can purchase and put on your roof yourself. There is a whole process when understanding your solar panel needs when it comes to the space needed for installation, shade level, orientation, or even if your house can harbor panels. We hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland,